G'day all. So I've been working on the bridge at Hamley Bridge, and it's a kitbash of some Walthers kids. That's the actual bridge. Sorry, excuse the light. Yeah. It's upside down at the moment, and just wanted to show you what I was up to. So the bridge itself is made from one steel bent tower pack, bridge towers. There's 3 of those, 4 70-foot single deck girders, and 4 30-foot single deck girders. There. So that's the pack that makes it up. And of course, here we've had to modify these, so they've actually been cut down. So there used to be, in the kit there's 3 levels, so you only need 2. So then you need to do this cut in and cut out. And the last one is just the tiniest size. You only need 1 section of that, and then you're done. So it's upside down here, so I can spray paint the whole thing. So it'll need to be spray painted the red colour. I'll spray paint it red prior to installation into the board. Yeah, so that's just what I've been working on. It's a little bit difficult to actually, these sections here are reasonably easy to build, but these, unfortunately, previous experience has shown that do not always believe Walthers instructions, because sometimes they're pretty bad. So when they say, for example, here, to assemble these and then glue those together, my experience is do not do that. Assemble this part, leave this just as a like that, an assembly with nothing on it, then build those pieces. So then once you've glued that to one side of this and on the opposite side that to that, then glue all of these on, because you need to butt those up towards it. And then these little sections, see 22 there, 24 and 23, they need to be sanded a little bit to actually fit into those locations, so it's a little bit too tight. So if you assemble all of this and then try to assemble it onto this, it's not going to fit. So there you go. Alrighty, so there you are, that's the bridge. Big shot back here. Here we are.